And this is like a disinfectant. I don't know what they spray for.
It's for animal disease.
So like a disinfectant station. We also had to get out and step onto a very soggy mat. And Morne pulls off by the side of the road, little shack, hoping to get something to drink. But the guy comes from the village and the person who mans the little shop is apparently not here. So we'll continue and stop at the next one. Scenery is absolutely beautiful. It is amazing to be here. Home in Africa. Totally rogue, wild, amazing, majestic beings who tolerate the humans because they know they get water. It's amazing to be in their presence. One of the resident mongooses. Yeah, probably. And off we go. Good morning.
Hello.
How are you this morning?
Well, and you?
Well, thank you.
Good.
How did you sleep?
Very well.